Good evening friends, this is Pradeep from Trading Clan. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video, we are going to see the Nifty and Bank Nifty predictions. Before going that, if you are not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and please click the bell icon for further notifications. Okay, now we will move on to the Nifty and Bank Nifty predictions for coming Tuesday. So let us open the Bank Nifty in our trading view window with 45 minutes time frame chart. Normally 45 minutes time frame chart will give more accuracy. Here we are having 3 supports as well as 2 resistance. So this is the Bank Nifty with 45 minutes time frame chart. We could see here 3 supports are there. I think these supports are very much fine for our trades. So let us make the first support here. So totally 3 supports are there and we are having 2 resistance. With this setups we can take the trades for 2 days. I am going to change this one as a support one. Today there is some problem with the trading window. It's blinking, keep on blinking. So okay, so this is our setups. Here is there. Here we can see some very good buying power candles and buying pressure candles. I'm going to encircle that in black color circle. You could see here in the bottom side we can see very good power buying pressure candle. Here you can see the very good wick today. The first candle was having very good wick. It clearly indicates there is a lot of buyers came into the market, and you could see here top of that also we can see some very good bullish candle. That is buying power candles. So all 3 together it seems it's having very good buyers are in the market. So I feel that the buyers are dominating. Yesterday itself I told that there is a fight between sellers and fighters, and finally buyers dominated, like that I have told yesterday. Today the first candle itself it's went to full top and it's almost hit our support zone, resistance zone. So I have booked some good profit out of it. Then later on it's came to the downside, and it's gets supported from our support one. You could see here this is the buying power candles. Here I'm marked here, and one more circle which I'm giving the arrow indication is buying pressure candles. This is buying pressure candles. So whenever you see there is a wick or tail, we have to notice that there is a buyers or sellers into the market. So today we can see very good tail has formed here. So that means there is a new buyers starts participated in the market. So that afterwards, after seeing this buying pressure, we can see buying power candle also today in the first candle itself. There is a very good buyers again came into the market. So after seeing this pressure candle and pressure power candles, still I am expecting the Bank Nifty will move in the opposite directions, and it will hit the target of 16,000, 35,000, 36,300. I'm going to here mark down the targets here. We can expect the Bank Nifty will move in the opposite directions by tomorrow, and it will hit the target of 36,200 is possible because of this buying pressure candles and buying power candles. So we can keep our stop loss line in this support one. If the script moves against this support line, then we can close our trades. So this is our stop loss line. Support one is our stop loss line. We can keep like this. So this is my expectation for tomorrow market. Let's see what will happen in tomorrow, and we will take up our trades. This is my Bank Nifty trades. Let me move on to the Nifty predictions. Let me open the Nifty in the 45 minutes time frame chart with in our trading view window. Normally 45 minutes time frame chart will give more accuracy for our trades, so we are preferring that one. here we can see we can have a 3 green line, that means 3 support lines are there, support 1, support 2, support 3, and we don't have any resistance line because Nifty went in all time high, so it has to form some resistance over here, but right now we are having a horizontal resistance only, that too around 16,330 rupees. So this is a very good resistance for Nifty. Right now you could see here this in the second half we could see some buying powers in the market in Nifty. So there is a possibilities for Nifty will move in the upside directions. I am expecting the Nifty will move in the upside directions. You could see here the upside move can go like this, whichever I have indicated the green upside directions, like that the Nifty will move in the further upside and it will hit the target of 16,330 rupees. This is what I am expecting in the Nifty, that too in the upside directions only. We can keep our stop loss near to this support one. If the support one breaks, we can close our trades. That's what I am expecting. So tomorrow we can have a target of 16,330 is possible. If world support is there and Asian support is there, definitely we can see these levels by tomorrow. So this is my predictions for Nifty. So let's see tomorrow what will happen in the real time market, and we can, if possible, we can take up our trades. So this is my Nifty predictions. We will see and we will update in our WhatsApp group. So finally we are concluding that we are coming to the conclusion page, expecting both in the opposite directions. For Nifty 16,330, for Bank Nifty 36,200. So you can contact me if you want to do any trade along with me. You can contact this number. Thanks for watching the video. If the videos are useful, please do like, share and subscribe. Please click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you and grow with us.